first of all, it's the kiddos. Oh my gosh, the way they come up to you when they've learned something new, or they go, Miss Crystal, look what I did today. And you look at them with the excitement in their face, it's unbelievable. To know that I am giving this positive feedback to them, that's what I love.
You need to be responsible. You are going to be given a list of duties and you need to get your duties done. Other than that, I would say just happy, well attitude. You know, you are going to be asked to do things, so you need to just smile and say, okay, I can do that for you. So just mostly good attitude, positivity, and just hardworking.
My duties, they vary from school to school, but our main duty is to make sure that the school is clean and it is ready for a day of learning. We clean bathrooms, we vacuum, we dust, we clean windows, we change light bulbs. Anything that is going to help with cleanliness in the school, that's what we do. Now, since COVID hit, our job duties have increased, but it's sanitizing touch points and it's sanitizing desktops. We work Monday through Friday, and we very rarely work on the weekends. As a full-time employee, we get paid vacations, paid holidays, paid sick, and one personal day a year.
I think the best thing about for me is that they are a team. If you're sick, if you need anything, they're there for you. If you need supplies, they're there for you. If you call and say, hey, I don't know what I'm doing today, they're there for you. It's just a really upbeat environment. There's barely any negativity. Everyone's just happy and positive.